So I was a graduate student at the University of Wisconsin, and during that time there were several groups interested in health economics, and so that was the beginning. I was a trainee from a National Institute of Mental Health training grant, and the University of Wisconsin also has a Robert Wood Johnson Foundation sponsored program on health and society. So those were the two main beginnings of interest in health economics. So there was formal training, and then my first job was at a school of public health. So that further enhanced my interest in health economics and health policy. So my main interest is in thinking about how main effects of environment and policies may be shaped by your own genetic factors. For example, we think that some policies have big effects on some people, but maybe small effects on others, and asking why that is true. So an example of this is ongoing work I'm doing examining the impacts of tobacco taxation, which typically, as taxes go up on tobacco, individuals smoke less, and then asking if that's true for everybody or if there's pockets of people who don't seem to be affected by the policy at all. So I have a paper and some ongoing research showing that there's variations in human nicotinic receptor genes, which are kind of what you might think they are. They're part of our brain that translates nicotine, which we don't necessarily care about per se, to dopamine, which we like. And some people seem to get more dopamine than others, and asking whether those types of people are more or less likely to respond to tobacco control policies. So that's an example. So I think there's many ways. One is to hear exciting new developments from other fields that I don't know of, and to interact with other non-economists here and economists who are doing similar work. I think there's several critical masses of individuals in Chicago and at Wisconsin that I think collectively will be able to leverage each other's expertise to continue to do work in this area.